Hello, welcome back. Today we're diving into something that I know a lot of you have been curious about, and it's how to find your perfect match when it comes to hair extensions. But before we jump in, I want to thank Luxy Hair for sponsoring today's video. I have used their products for over 10 years. You know how much I love them. They always put their customers first, and their color match options are a testament to that. So let's dive in and find your perfect match. First up is Luxy Hair's quiz. This is a quick, easy way to narrow down your options. Just answer a few questions about what you're looking for, volume, length, both, your hair type, preferred style and color, and their quiz will recommend the best extensions for you. Next, if you prefer a more personalized touch, you can chat with one of their friendly team members. They'll guide you through the process, answer any questions you have, and really help you feel confident in your choice. Now, my favorite is seeing and feeling the hair in person. It can make such a difference. So ordering sample swatches is a great way to see the colors and the textures against your own hair, ensuring a seamless blend. And this option is fun. They offer a virtual color match, so you just snap a selfie. Make sure you get good light. And this will analyze and find your perfect shades. You can try on different collections, volume, and length. And then once you've found your perfect match, it's time to apply them. So let me show you the best, quickest way to clip them in. First, section your hair off about 1 inch above your neck and securely clip the remaining hair up out of the way. We'll begin with a 3-clip weft and start in the middle. Clip it into your hair, securing by snapping it closed, and then repeat on the sides. Next, take a section that includes your natural hair and the extension. We're going to curl these together using Luxy Hair's signature curler. And this curler is amazing for extensions because it's extra long and creates beautiful, long-lasting curls. Hold the curler for a few seconds, catch your curl while it cools, then release. Now, for the next layer, section your hair about 1 inch above your previous layer, just about ear height, and clip in your second 3-clip weft. Moving up, section off another inch above, now past your ears, and here we'll use the 4-clip weft to wrap around the sides for a seamless blend. Continue to the top, adding your last 4-clip weft 1 inch above your previous section. Now the sides, section your hair from just above your temples to the back of your ears on an angle. This allows the 2-clip wefts on each side to fall forward, framing your face. Before we finish, gently brush out your curls and check if there are any areas that need more volume. Usually behind your ears or at temple height are great spots to add your single clips. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching. Bye.